Hear the birds chirping?
It's a beautiful day here in Geneseo, and Vejo has been begging me for a walk. I know a number of you have been missing the campus during this time, and so please join us.
There's some beautiful daffodils, aren't they, Vay?
Hello from Sturgis Quad, home of the famous Geneseo Sioux spruce. Vejo loves the Sioux spruce. I think it has something to do with the squirrels. And here's the iconic Geneseo gazebo. Vejo loves watching sunsets from the gazebo, don't you, boy?
Vejo, look, it's Wadsworth Auditorium. Did you know the first speaker at Wadsworth Auditorium was Eleanor Roosevelt?
So Vejo may be a dog, but he certainly is partial to Emmeline the bear. Let's put on your Geneseo scarf. What do you say? I know, it tastes good, doesn't it? Vejo and I are here in front of the college stadium, and we can't wait till we're all together again watching our Knights compete on our home turf. Vejo, say it with me. Go Knights!
Look both ways before crossing, boy. Where to next? Vejo and I are now here in front of Dodie Hall, which houses our administration.
This is Vejo's favorite toy, what's left of Mr. Squirrel. Vejo and I are now outside of Wells Hall. As you can see, it says kindergarten. That's because Wells Hall previously served as this community's elementary school. You know I have something of yours. Vejo and I are going to end our walk today in front of our Integrated Science Center, home, not surprisingly, to our science departments. As a geologist, it's one of our favorite places, isn't it, Vejo? Oh, and you're right, boy, that's a granite. We love granite.
Vejo, you got him. And I'm busy.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy.